to Deb's Filicucina, I'm going to show you how to make Parmesan crusted Brussels sprouts. Now it's a little extra work, but totally worth the effort. So I cleaned up the Brussels sprouts, about a pound, and cut them in half, washed them and cut them in half. And then I have a half a cup of flour, 2 eggs beaten, and in this bowl I have 3/4 of a cup of Panko, half a cup of Parmesan, about a teaspoon of garlic powders, a teaspoon of salt, and that's it. If you want, you can put some cayenne pepper in there. I choose not to. And then you can see what I'm simply doing. I sprayed my baking sheet and I'm simply dipping it in flour first, half Brussels sprout. Then I'm dipping it in the egg, and then it goes into the Panko with the Parmesan cheese, and it's gonna go on the tray. And we are at some point, we're gonna put it in a 400-degree oven for 25 minutes. And you can serve this with a homemade Caesar salad dressing, which I might get to later. But for now, this is what I'm doing, and I'll show you the end result.